I gotta first preface his question. It says, what kind of photogrammetric surface elevation accuracy could you see reasonably expected, let's just say with no GCPs and just using that source? Um, I'm going to say shockingly, you see really good accuracy. However, I'm going to premise that we always say that you need to have GCPs on the ground. Therefore, you can verify and check whether they're manual tie points or something that you can see for checks. And so when I say how good, um, hopefully you respect this, Jesse, that I would encourage everybody to test it wherever they're operating at. I'll just role play here at our out of Bozeman and flying an M3E. Um, I know that I've seen, uh, horizontal accuracies better than a tenth, and vertical accuracies better than a couple tenths, and probably way better than that. But I don't want to, I don't want to overhype the value of using it real time and no GCPs. And I've done this also in other areas with the Mavic 3 Enterprise, like in the ORGN, which is in Oregon out of our Bend office, and have data I could show you offline if you wanted to ping Kyle and myself. And I've done it in Washington and other places, but that does not negate us saying that GCPs are highly recommended. And I will say it helps you reduce maybe the amount of GCPs because you'll have better confidence. And not all platforms do that. So I don't want to say that what I just answered for Jesse on a Mavic 3 Enterprise is applicable to any other bird out there. Um, but I would say it's, if you own a Mavic 3 Enterprise, I highly would encourage you to try using the MTSRN, and you'll be shockingly surprised on how well it works.